Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about an introduction of comparison of adjectives. But before we start with the comparison of adjectives, let us know what are adjectives. An adjective is a describing word, or an adjective gives more information about something, or an adjective generally describes a noun. And a noun is a person, place or thing. As you can see in the picture, there are some examples of adjectives like blue, cold or happy. All these words are adjectives and they are describing a noun. Now let's look at the examples of adjectives like material can be copper, gold or silk. Size can be tall, short or small. Shape can be oval, 3D, triangular. Color can be yellow, blue or green. Number can be 1, 2, 3, any number. And origin can be Indian, Japanese, etc. Then let us start with today's activity. In this activity we will talk about adjective order. So let me first tell you the purpose of this activity. The purpose of this activity is to give students an opportunity to figure out the rules of how to order adjectives before the main grammar lesson. So students, I am going to provide you a worksheet containing 4 phrases. Okay, now let us look at the phrases. 2 small plastic bottles, 3 dirty old pants, 2 beautiful blue eyes, a strange dark house. You can notice that I have not put any commas. So we don't have to worry about commas. We only need to focus on the order of adjectives. Okay. I will also provide you with the stacks of small cards containing adjectives, and these stacks you are going to use to put according to the adjectives. First is color, shape, size, number, material and origin. Okay. Now I will explain you the first phrase, how you are going to put the stacks. 2 small plastic bottles. So you can clearly see that 2 is a number, small is the shape and plastic is the material. So as I did, you also have to arrange the stacks according to the phrases as you see the adjectives. Students, before you start this activity, listen to the instructions very carefully. You will work in teams. So students, just make pairs then start working. Second is read each phrase, then move the cards to help you decide the order. Then take notes about the order. When your team finishes all 3, then compare the order of all phrases. Is there any pattern? Then review the answers as a class. After you have finished, then we are going to review your answers. Now materials needed. Children, you just need a pen to write as your teacher is providing you the worksheet with 4 phrases and stacks of small cards with adjective categories. So your time starts now. Just look at these 4 phrases. First one I have already done. Now you will start with second, third and fourth. Arrange the stacks of card according to the adjectives. Okay. I hope you all must have completed your work. Now let us look what you have done. See, the first word is a number, as in the first phrase, 2 small plastic bottles. 2 is a number. In the second phrase, 3 dirty old pants. 3 is a number. Then third phrase, 2 beautiful blue eyes. Again, we starting with a number. And fourth phrase, a strange dark house. A is again telling us about 1. Then it is also a number. So what we notice, that numbers come first in the order and materials comes just before noun, as in the first phrase. 2 small plastic bottles. You can clearly see that plastic is a material which is coming just before a noun. Now you have understood about how to arrange the order of adjectives. Let us see what are the adjectives, how they can be arranged in order. So the general order of adjectives before a noun is as follows. Opinion comes first. Opinion can be ugly or beautiful. Then next comes size. Size can be small, large, long. Then comes age. Age can be old or ancient. Then comes shape, which can be thin or long. Then next comes color, which can be red, white, any color. Next comes origin. Origin can be Italian, French, Greek. Next comes material. Material can be cotton, silk or clay. Next comes purpose, which can be sleeping or wedding or flower. And then comes noun. Noun can be a bag, dress or vases. So we can take the initials of these adjectives like O, S, A, S, C, O, M, P. It is just to make yourself memorize the order. Then what is opinion? Opinion can be attitude or observation like delicious, lovely, nice or cool. Size. Size can be height also like big, small, tall, huge, tiny. Then age. Age means how old is it? Like a person can be old or a thing can be old, young, new or antique. Then shape can be, in shape we can also talk about weight and length like round, square, long, fat. Color. Approximate color can be green, blue, reddish or purple. Origin means where is it from, like American, British, Indian, Turkish. Material means what is it made of, like gold, wooden, plastic or synthetic. Purpose means what it is used for, like gardening, shopping or riding. So point which you should note down is before adjectives plus noun we normally have a determiner like a, an, the, my, your, her, for, this, those, some, etc. This you will just get into habit while we practice with the examples of adjectives, which we are going to take later on. Then just look at the examples. A wonderful, large, round Spanish marble table. In this phrase, a is used for one. Wonderful is giving us opinion. Large is the size. Then round is the shape. Spanish is the origin. Marble is the material of which the table is made. Next example, my brown leather riding boots. Then brown is the color, leather is the material, riding is the purpose of the boots. So next phrase is the little old man. Little is the size, old is the age of the man. So I hope it is getting clear to you how we place the order of adjectives. Now we will move forward and we will talk about the comparison of adjectives, how we use adjectives to compare nouns or things. We compare adjective in 3 ways. First is positive degree. For example, Sunil is a tall boy. In this sentence, we are only talking about Sunil and he is a tall boy. Second one is comparative degree, in which we are going to compare two persons or things. For example, Sunil is taller than Ravi. So here we are comparing Sunil with Ravi. Then third one is superlative degree. For example, Sunil is the tallest boy among his friends. Here we are comparing Sunil with all his friends. So, in comparison of adjectives, we compared adjectives in three ways. Like in the first sentence, Sunil is a tall boy. Tall is an adjective which is showing a positive degree. Second sentence, Sunil is taller than Ravi, in which we are comparing two persons and taller is the adjective. And third, superlative degree, Sunil is the tallest boy among his friends. Tallest is the adjective and it is used to show that Sunil is the tallest boy among his friends. Let's take more examples to understand the comparison of adjectives, and we will also see the order of adjectives. Like in the first sentence, this handsome young man is taller than your brother. Here the word taller is an adjective which is used as comparative degree, in which young man is compared to your brother. So handsome and taller, they are showing the quality or opinion. Young is the age. So all the highlighted yellow words are adjectives. Then in second sentence, out of those 6 expensive silk dresses, I like the red one the most. Here also in this sentence, the most, this word is superlative degree. So 6 expensive silk, then red one the most. All these words are adjectives. Now let us see what is the order. 6 is the number. Expensive is showing the quality or opinion. Silk is the material of the dress and red one is the color. The most, this word is showing the superlative degree. That is, the dress which is red in color is liked the most. Then third sentence, the new employee who has joined yesterday is more energetic than the old one. Here, these employees are compared. The new employee is compared with the old one. So, more energetic word is used as a comparative degree. Now, let us see the order of adjectives. New is the age. Energetic is the quality or opinion about the employee. Now, next sentence. You look beautiful in the long blue Japanese dress. Here, we are talking about just one person. You look beautiful in the long blue Japanese dress. So, it is positive degree. When we just talk about one person, we are not comparing person or thing with others. Then we say it is a positive degree of adjective. Now, let us look at the orders. Beautiful is the quality or opinion. Long is the size. Blue is the color. And Japanese is the origin of the dress. Now let us look at the fifth sentence. The long old wooden table kept in my room is much heavier than your new one. Here the word heavier is used as comparative degree, as we are comparing two tables. Now let us look at the order of adjectives. All the highlighted yellow words are adjectives in these sentences, as I told you before also. So long is the size, old is the age, wooden is the material, and heavier is showing the quality or opinion about the table. Now let us come to sixth sentence. I have 4 children who have their own rooms. The 4th child is the dirtiest out of the children because he eats in his room and drops food on the ground and in his bed. Here the word dirtiest is showing superlative degree of adjective. Okay. Now let us see the orders of adjectives. 4 is the adjective number and dirtiest is showing the quality or opinion about the child. So students, with this we have completed our topic and introduction to comparatives by doing a small activity of order of adjectives, and I am sure you have understood this topic very well. And if you have any doubts, you are free to drop me a message and I will clear your queries in the next class. Thank you.